Hey guys, we're here with Kevin from GIMA Group. How are you today?
I'm fantastic, Ornella. How are you?
I'm great. How's it going at the Dubai Fintech Summit?
It's a good one. Last year was extremely exciting, but this year I think it was 3-4x the size.
It's huge. The turnout is really big.
Huge, but you have some really high quality companies, people, startups, investors. So I think what DIFC's done is absolutely amazing. So can't wait for tomorrow and then next year to triple X from here.
Yeah, and so are you mostly based here in Dubai, or where's your home base?
Yeah, since 2016-17, I moved to Dubai because I'm from Los Angeles. GIMA Group has been in Los Angeles primarily, but there wasn't so much support in America, and specifically Los Angeles for blockchain-based development companies, crypto, exchanges, the things that we've kind of built and done in the past. So, of course, the framework around the Blockchain Initiative 2020 drew me here in 2017, and then there's been just initiative after initiative, and they keep just doing fantastic things. And now you got VARA, virtual assets, and licensing. So it's a fantastic time to be alive in Dubai.
Definitely, and events every single day.
Events every single, two a day.
Too many. Yeah.
No, but look, there's always events. Like we're from the event capital in America. We got Vegas, right? There's so many to go to, but you got to now find your niche. You got to find the people that you're going to communicate with, and they're not going to be at every event. So events like this, I think, pull a specific type of person. You got a lot of bankers here. You got a lot of, obviously, fintech guys. So financial technology, right? Fintech. And that's now combining the crypto world, the blockchain space. You got metaverse builders in here for payment gateways. So we're combining the ideas here, but like we said, a lot of events.
And are there any sectors that you're particularly interested in, whether it's gaming or metaverse, like you said?
Yeah. So what gets me excited is kind of like combining different sectors together. So gaming and crypto equals kind of really cool payment gateways that you can do for games. So in-game currencies. So then the NFT kind of buzzword comes in. NFTs and metaverse, not for the fact of just a open world metaverse, but B2B. I love that businesses can join the metaverse, create physical spaces, and then sell their products via NFTs. So that third word is very exciting for me. Tokenization, fashion, real estate. I think these are coming up. They're ready to go industries. So when I say combining them, you can also have virtual world experiences for a fashion catwalk and sell digital fashion and also physical, right? So combining two different industries, financial technology, what other best way to, explain it rather behind us?
Did you attend the Fashion Metaverse Week by chance this year?
Look, I did. I have thoughts on it.
Would you like to share some of those thoughts?
I'm not happy. I'm not happy. I thought the quality was lacking, to be very honest. The only thing that I pride our company on, and I'm sure there's many others that are doing great things, but don't kind of skimp on quality. When we're talking about something so sensitive as fashion or real estate, like with this pin or this jacket or whatever, it should look exactly like the one that's in physical form. And that's just not happening.
Are you referring to the graphics? Okay.
Correct, graphics. And so if we want to get to the phygital side, which is another buzzword, everyone's talking about it, but how the heck are you going to sell a phygital product if the digital version isn't so hot, right? So I always go back to like the boomer generation, my mother. No one's building for her, but yet she's shopping online every day. So give her an experience, give them experience that will excite them. So it always goes back to quality. And I don't think we're there yet. I just don't see the high quality stuff yet.
Yeah, it's going to take a while, I think, to get there. But there's also a lot of platforms out there building more like photorealistic quality spaces, no?
I'll give a shout out to like DressX. DressX is like the conglomerate kind of marketplace that's bringing in all of the artists. Now, not all of them are going to be 10 out of 10 quality, but there is a lot of good quality products there that eventually designers and retailers will be able to adopt and put in their physical stores. So at least we're getting a bridge from digital to physical, and I got a shout out to DressX there. Yeah.
All right. And so as an investor and in the VC world, is there a sector in particular besides maybe fashion that you're looking into while you're on this trip, while you're here in Dubai?
Yeah. So what we do is we build, as I mentioned, virtual experiences. So we have even catwalks where we've worked with fashion shows around the world. We work with different designers wanting to kind of combine the physical, digital, but for the purposes of not just selling an NFT sellout, right? For the purpose of actually seeing that in stores. So I love what artists that are doing AR drops. I have a friend in Los Angeles, I'll shout her out, Z Hovac, who's doing fantastic work because it's the utility kind of buzzword. as well as an AR product, which is really exciting. I want to walk up to different shirts and different stuff and pull out my phone and I see a QR code or a graphic and then it'll come to life. Maybe that coming to life will tell a story. Maybe it'll tell the story of the brand. Maybe it'll tell the story of whatever graphic I'm looking at. I think the best one is like Polo Ralph Lauren, right? You got a polo player. Well, I should be able to watch a polo match on that shirt, right? That's the future. That's the future. So kind of combining, again, different worlds, and fashion and AR is really exciting for us. So we're investing in different products of that. And AI, not as a sense of like, hey, build me this AI, or what do you think it would look like in 20 years AI? It's kind of thinking what we can't think. This AI can think much faster than us, and better, faster, stronger, and we just add a little bit of creativity and boom, we're off to the races.
And I guess AR is probably that first layer to adoption, right? Because it might be the easiest in a sense, way more than VR, whether we don't need the headset, so you can just use AR on your phone, like you said.
How about mixed reality, right? So pretty soon we're gonna be walking around with these glasses, not these clunky VRs, like you're right, I don't presume that to be popular. But pretty soon it's going to be glasses and then even lenses. So you're going to be walking around New York City. You're going to look to your right, you're going to see a fashion shop, you're going to see your favorite designer, and you don't even need to go in anymore. It might tell you the sale, it might tell you the hottest item sold last month, it might even tell you which fashion, which influencer or famous Hollywood star was wearing that day, that week, or whatever. And then you get excited about it. Now you're in the shop. So you've already converted the sales before even getting in. So I think we're getting better at the technology and implementing it again in the real world. So I'd like to see mixed reality become more of a thing. The technology is ready to go. We just need better hardware.
Yeah, seriously. And what about when it comes to fintech then? Is there anything particular maybe that you've heard today at the conference? Any insight that you want to share with us that you're excited about?
I'll have to, again, shout out the crypto industry, right? In decentralized finance. So it is a segment of fintech that is exciting because we are using a technology, we are using a new payment system, a digital payment solution that's extremely exciting. The power of DeFi, the power of decentralized finance is not yet understood. Pretty soon we're going to see banks offering DeFi solutions. Pretty soon we're going to see different financial institutions tokenizing assets, which you can now stake for better purposes of interest rates or, lending, borrowing. And I think that's extremely exciting, which it has gotten a little bit of disrespect recently because of all the hacks and the protocol and this and that. But look, it's a young industry. In crypto, it's been 10, 12 years. And half of that in DeFi, and even half of that in sophisticated connections of financial institutions. So if we're only at 3 years, 4 years, really hardcore DeFi, imagine what the next 10, 15 years is going to look like. Banks are going to get involved. What are you going to do?
Starting already, it's going to involve.
100%. What are you going to do about it? You got to learn about it. You got to get your hands dirty, and you got to test the market. So I'd say in fintech, my shout out to the crypto world and DeFi is extremely excited. You got to learn about it. You got to get involved. And I think you're never going to hurt. The risk to reward ratio is insane.
Definitely. All right. Well, thank you so much for your time, Kevin.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too.